Introduction. What is a business without investments? Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll explore how to start a business from scratch without any initial investments. Many people believe that creating a successful business requires substantial financial backing, but that's not always true. I'm going to show you step by step how to turn your ideas into reality using your skills, time, and some creativity. So, let's dive in and discover the path to launching your own business without any big upfront costs. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned until the end for valuable tips. Stage 1. Business ideas without investments. The first and most crucial step is selecting the right business idea. There are plenty of options for businesses that don't require hefty investments. For example, you could start with freelancing, offering your skills in writing, design, or programming. Or, you can explore social media marketing (SMM) and help businesses grow their online presence. Content creation is another popular direction, where you can start a YouTube channel, podcast, or even a blog. Additionally, consulting services in areas like finance, health, or digital marketing can be an ideal low-cost start. Think about what you're passionate about and consider how your skills can be transformed into a business idea. The key here is to identify a niche that aligns with your interests and has potential demand in the market. Once you've chosen your idea, it's time to move on to the next step. Stage 2. Defining your target audience. Now that you've chosen a business idea, it's essential to identify your target audience. Your product or service must be directed towards a specific group of people. Start by creating a profile of your ideal customer, their age, occupation, interests, problems, and goals. Ask yourself questions like, who will benefit most from what I offer? What are their needs and pain points? When you define your audience clearly, you'll find it easier to tailor your message and market your product or service effectively. Remember, a well-defined target audience is key to business growth. Stage 3. Competitor analysis and unique selling proposition (USP). Understanding your competitors is a crucial step. Take some time to research who is already operating in your chosen niche. Look at their offerings, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer feedback. What do they do well? What are their weaknesses? Once you've gathered this information, it's time to craft your unique selling proposition (USP). This is what will set you apart from the competition. For example, if you are offering consulting services, your USP could be a unique approach or exclusive expertise in a specific area. Emphasizing what makes you different is essential for attracting customers and growing your business. Stage 4. Creating a minimum viable product (MVP). When starting without capital, it's crucial not to overcomplicate things. Instead of building a perfect product, focus on creating a minimum viable product (MVP). An MVP is the simplest version of your product or service that can still provide value to your audience. It allows you to test your business idea in the real world with minimal resources. For example, if you plan to offer an online course, start with a single module or a short introductory lesson. If you're launching a service, offer a basic package to attract your first clients. Once you've launched your MVP, gather feedback from your initial users and make adjustments based on their input. This process will help you understand whether there is demand for your product and where improvements are needed. Stage 5. Promotion and marketing. Promotion is one of the most critical components of a business without investments. Fortunately, there are numerous free and low-cost methods to get your name out there. Start by building a presence on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Create valuable content that engages your audience and positions you as an expert in your niche. Consistent posting and interacting with your audience can go a long way in building trust. Additionally, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel to share insights and tips related to your business. Another effective method is networking. Connect with people in your industry, collaborate, and exchange knowledge. It's also essential to identify your primary communication channels. Are your potential clients active on social media? Or do they prefer email updates? By finding the right channels and creating targeted content, you can maximize your reach without spending a fortune. Stage 6. Building a personal brand. In today's world, where customers are bombarded with numerous choices, a strong personal brand can be a significant competitive advantage. A personal brand helps you build trust and stand out in a crowded market. Share your story with your audience. Talk about your values, your mission, and your experience. Let people see the real you and connect with you on a deeper level. For example, if you are a fitness coach, share your journey, your motivations, and how you overcame challenges. This will help you establish a loyal following of people who resonate with your values. Stage 7. Setting adequate prices and monetization strategies. Pricing your product or service is an essential step that requires careful consideration. It's important to research the market and understand what your competitors are charging. Don't be afraid to set a price that reflects the value you provide. There are various monetization strategies you can explore. For example, you can offer subscription plans, premium services, one-on-one consultations, or exclusive memberships. Choose a pricing model that aligns with your target audience and your business goals. Remember, setting the right price will not only attract customers but also establish your credibility. Stage 8. Working with feedback and improving your product. Feedback from your customers is a goldmine of valuable information. Make it a habit to listen to what your customers have to say and be open to constructive criticism. Collect feedback through surveys, reviews, or direct communication. Use this feedback to make improvements to your product or service. Not only will this help you retain your current customers, but it will also attract new ones. A customer-focused approach is a surefire way to grow your business. Conclusion. Call to action. Creating a business without investments is entirely possible if you follow the right steps. Start with a strong idea, identify your target audience, and focus on delivering value. Don't forget to promote yourself and build a personal brand to stand out. Remember, the key is to start small, gather feedback, and continuously improve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.